In this video we're going to install the Yoroi Lite wallet for Cardano. Open Chrome and go to the google.com main page. Type Yoroi wallet. Select https://yoroi-wallet.com and click enter if needed. Click the drop down that says download and select Chrome. Click the button add to Chrome. You will see a pop-up from Google that says Add Yoroi. Click the button, Add Extension. After a few seconds, you will see a message. Yoroi has been added to Chrome. To start Yoroi, click the puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner of your Chrome browser and select Yoroi. If you like the content in this video, please like, subscribe and delegate to Alto Stake Pool.